FAA's new proposed Part 108 rule has pilots talking, and not all of it is positive. While there are several areas generating buzz, today we're going to focus on 2 key points you need to know. With these changes shaking up the world of remote piloting, Remote Pilot 101 has you covered with the most up-to-date training and guidance, helping you stay informed, confident, and ready to fly smart. You can check out our remote pilot course for free by visiting m0a.com/trial. Now, let's jump into what many are talking about. One of the public's biggest concerns, Part 108 allows drones to operate without a pilot directly in control and even gives those drones right away over manned aircraft that don't have ADS-B out when both are operating below 400 feet AGL. Now, think about that for a second. A drone flying completely autonomously could legally continue its flight while a pilot in a small general aviation airplane without ADS-B out would be expected to yield. For many of us in the manned aviation community, that just doesn't sit right. Never before have drones been given the right of way over a manned aircraft. This has raised some serious red flags, especially considering the large amount of flying done below 400 feet by airplanes and helicopters. What's even more concerning is that under Part 108, drones flying beyond visual line of sight, also known as BVLOS, wouldn't be required to actively detect and avoid nearby crewed aircraft, yet they'd still be given the right of way. Another part of this proposal that's getting a lot of attention is how the FAA plans to decide where these drones can fly. The rule is based largely on population density. Basically, they're saying the more people on the ground means more risk. Fewer people means less risk. On the surface, that sounds reasonable. But in practice, it's not that simple. A low-density area might have sensitive infrastructure, emergency operations, or flight training activities where drones could create real hazards. Many commenters are saying that risk should be determined by the type of operation and the safety measures in place. Capabilities like geofencing, restricting airspace, or on-site supervision are better solutions rather than just by how many people live nearby. It's all about context and common sense. So where does this go from here? The FAA is now reviewing thousands of public comments, and it's going to take some time to see how they respond and what revisions might come out of it. For now, all we can do is keep paying attention, keep sharing our perspectives, and keep advocating for safety. This initiative is important for both manned and unmanned aircraft. It is the same sky that we all share. Remote Pilot 101 is here to keep you current in flying and news, and that means providing more resources. Right now, if you purchase our Remote Pilot course, you get 1 month free of M0A's newest tier, Perks Pass. Check it out today, and we'll see you next time.